Number 12 is a really good question to understand because this will probably be tested on the exam in some way or the other, and it might be tested twice. So let's read it. Which of the following does not have a positive inotropic effect on cardiac muscle? So what is it is asking? It's asking which causes a decrease in contractility. And really what that's asking is which one causes a decrease in the calcium concentration inside the cell. So that's what we're trying to figure out. So let's go through the answers. Inhibition of the sodium potassium pump, we can knock that out automatically. That's the same thing as this right here, cardiac glycoside digoxin. Norepinephrine, we can knock that out automatically because that is a beta 1 agonist and it's going to increase calcium conductance. Let's see, C is a little bit more complicated. Okay, decreasing external potassium concentration. Okay, so what that's going to do, it's going to be kind of like the cardiac glycoside. If we decrease, to the amount of potassium out here, this is going to exchange less, and so the sodium in the cell is going to be retained a little bit more, which means that this sodium is going to have a harder time going in, which means that this calcium is going to stay inside and it's going to build up, and there's going to be a higher calcium concentration. Now, this is if this answer wasn't the correct answer, a better answer, this would be the best answer to go with because you could make the argument that having decreased potassium outside would cause it would cause this to there would be a hyperpolarization, you could argue, of the cell membrane. I don't think that it's going to get that deep on this test. This is not a cell physio test. It's a cardiovascular test. So you could make that argument, but this is a much better answer because 20% of the calcium used in each contraction comes from external calcium. And then E, increased frequency of stimulation, that will build up calcium inside the cell also. I hope that makes sense.